Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will continue our discussion with questions from the HSCV 2019 paper, and the question that we'll be discussing with in this particular video is question number 61. So it's a question based on calendar, so let's take a look. The calendar for the year 2019 will be the same for years. So here let's take a look. So before we get into the question, let me give you an important concept in this class. Okay, every non-leap year repeats itself in the sequence 11, 6, 5 and 6, and this keeps repeating itself. Okay, so 11 years, 6 years, 5 years and 6 years. So here we have 2019, it's a non-leap year, so it will repeat in 2019 plus 11, that is 2030. So option B, it will repeat in 2019 plus 6. Okay, it will be the same year as that, so that is 2025. It will repeat in 2019 plus 5, that would be 2024. So yeah, this will also be the answer. Okay, so and also since first it will be 2000, hang on, let me just give you an idea. Just give me a second. Sorry sir, sorry, my bad. I think I made a mistake. So 2019, right? It will start off in 2019. First repetition will occur in 11 years, that is 2030. So yes, this is an answer. Followed by 6, 2036. Followed by 5, 2041, and followed by 62047. So both all A, option B and B, C, D are all correct options. Okay, so this is the sequence on which it goes. So I hope this thing is clear to you. So with all that said, we've come to the end of the video. So we will continue discussing the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'll be signing off. Thank you so much.